Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by choosing where photos will live, cloud, NAS, or an external drive, and confirming you have enough GB. Next, power and unlock each source device and enable file access so transfers can begin. This avoids interruptions. Install any needed apps or turn on SMB/FTP on the receiving device, then connect everything to the same network. Once done, open the backup app or file manager and start the first transfer so you have a working baseline to build on. Now you execute the transfer. Connect source and target with the fastest option available, USB-C, Gigabit Ethernet, or Wi-Fi 5/6, and use bulk copy tools or the app's export feature to move entire folders. Make sure to preserve timestamps and set consistent file naming so you don't lose chronology, and run a duplicate check before copying to save space. Monitor transfer progress and note any errors. When a file fails, pause and retry it rather than forcing everything at once, because this reduces corruption risk. To finish, verify integrity. Compare file counts, and for critical sets, run checksums so you can be sure originals match copies. Open several thumbnails and full-resolution images to confirm readability, then organize content into dated folders and apply tags or metadata for faster searching. Finally, schedule automated, incremental backups and enable failure alerts so future copies happen quietly. If something goes wrong, missing files or errors, check logs, reconnect devices, and rerun only the failed items to avoid duplicating work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.